Hi guys, welcome to Upload One and welcome also to our Basic of the Basics math tutorial where we will be learning how to add numbers. Get ready because we're about to start. So for our first example, let's add two one-digit numbers. Let's add the numbers 5 and 3. I'm going to show you two ways of adding these one-digit numbers, and this only applies to one-digit numbers or very small numbers. The first method is the using your finger method. You have to use your fingers. You just basically count out 5 fingers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you count out 3 fingers, 1, 2, 3, and then you add them together, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and you see your answer is 8. So your answer is equal to 8. This is for the first method. Now for the second method, it's called the number line method. This is basically using your number line to add numbers. So first I draw a number line, then I label my number line starting from 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And here -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, and -6. And as you can see, using our number line, we start from the number 0. So this is 5 plus 3. So positive 5, you have to count 5 units to the right because the right is going towards the positive side and the left the negative side. So we have to count 5 units, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 5 units to the right. Now we have to count 3 units again because it's plus 3. We have to count 3 units again to the right. So counting 3 units again to the right, we have 1, 2, 3. And as you can see, we have arrived at the number 8. So using our second method, we arrived at the number 8. And as you can see, we have the same number. So using both your fingers and the number line, you will still arrive at the correct answers for only small numbers. Now for our second example, let's take different numbers for our second example. Let's solve the basic operation 9 plus 6. Now, using our first method, we bring out 9 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then we count out 6 more fingers. And as we know, we have only 10 fingers, so we cannot count 6 fingers, right? You resort to using your toes. So you count 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You just bring out your legs. If you're not wearing shoes, that is. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then you count all of them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Using our hands and toes, we have 15 as our answer, or we can say as our sum, because the answer gotten after addition is called the sum. This method is very inefficient and sometimes unreliable because whenever we want to count bigger numbers like 100 plus 1000, 200 plus 99, we don't have 99 fingers or 200 hands, right? So we have to use this method whenever we are counting only small numbers, maybe numbers less than 20, because we have only 10 fingers and 10 toes. For our next examples, let's solve the operation 23 plus 42. Whenever I'm solving any operation, whether addition or subtraction, I like to put my numbers underneath the tens and unit signs. So I just write hundreds, tens, and units. And then I place my numbers underneath. So this is 23 plus 42. Then I put my equals to. So solving our operation, underneath our unit side, you have 3 plus 2. And 3 plus 2 is 5. So we write down 5 here. And under our 10 side, you have 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4 is 6. So we write down 6 here. So our answer is 64, or we can say our sum rather is 65. Let's take another example. For our next operation, let's solve 53 plus 69. So we put our hundreds, tens, and units. Then we write our numbers underneath. This is 53 plus 69. Then we put our equals to. So underneath our unit side, we have 3 plus 9. And as we know, 3 plus 9 is equal to 12. So we have a 2-digit number now. We cannot just write 12 here because it's wrong. So for us to solve this problem, we write 2 and we carry over 1. We write down the first digit and we carry over the second digit. So we write down 2 and we carry over 1. Then underneath our 10 side, we have 5 plus 6. And don't forget to add the 1 here. So we have 5 plus 6 plus 1, which is equal to 12. And again, we write down 2, we carry over 1. So as you can see, our answer is equal to 122. So this is our answer. Our answer is equal to 122. This is our sum. Let's continue taking more examples. This time, let's add 3-digit numbers. Let's add the numbers 145 and 256. Please guys, feel free to pause the video and attempt this question, because the more questions you solve, the better you understand. So assuming you've solved the questions, let's solve the question together. So we put our hundreds, tens, and units. And then we write our numbers underneath. This will be 145 plus 256. And then we put our equals to. So 5 plus 6. So our 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. And as we know, we write down 1, we carry over 1. So underneath our 10 side, you have 4 plus 5 plus 1. That is 10. So 10, we write down 0, we carry over 1. And then for our 100 side, you have 1 plus 1 plus 2, which is equal to 4. So our answer becomes 401. So 401 is our answer. Our sum. Now for our last example, our last but not the least example, let's solve the operation 203 plus 599. We start by adding our hundreds, tens, and unit signs. And then we write our numbers underneath. 203, 599. Put our plus sign and our equality sign. Solving the operation. Now solving the operation, we have 3 plus 9. 3 plus 9 is 12. So we write down 2, we carry over 1. Under our 10 side, we have 1 plus 9. 1 plus 9 is 10. We write down 0, carry over 1. Then under our 100 side, we have 1 plus 2 plus 5, which is 8. So our answer is equal to 802. So 802 is our answer for the operation. Okay guys, that's it for this video. Please feel free to like and subscribe to this channel if the videos are really helpful.